Okay, I'll repeat. Okay, goes to your main camera, you will see this post processing. Okay, check this one. Check this one. Okay, and then right click. Okay, you can create empty. We call it as a PP post processing, or we can write post processing. Okay, under this empty, add component volume. Okay, search for volume. Okay, so select this one. Okay, and then you can click this new. Okay, to find out to have your post processing profile, and you add the override post processing. Okay, you can try this firm grain first. You can click all here to select this. So this is the type that you want. The intensity you increase, so now you can see. Okay, something like this. So what you need what, then you add what lah. So very simple only.